Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel where we break down financial stuff to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to find your Vanguard account number. Whether you're setting up a new transfer, verifying details for taxes, or just double-checking your info, knowing where to look can save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Vanguard account. Head over to the Vanguard website or open their mobile app. If you don't have your login details handy, make sure you have your username and password ready. Don't forget about two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Accounts or Portfolio section. This is usually front and center on the homepage. Look for a summary of your accounts. That's where your account numbers are typically listed. For most users, you'll see a string of numbers right next to your account name. Something like account number 123,456,789. If it's not immediately visible, try clicking on the specific account to expand the details. Sometimes, account numbers might be hidden for privacy reasons. In that case, go to the Statements or Documents tab. Your account number should appear on any recent statements or transaction histories. If you're still having trouble, Vanguard has a helpful search bar or FAQ section. Type in account number, and it might guide you directly. One quick tip: always keep your account details secure. Never share your full account number via email or unsecured channels. And if you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. There you have it. That's how you find your Vanguard account number in just a few simple steps. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.